There comes a time that we're called upon to build. So build we did. We built a team of the best, the brightest, and the sexiest American builders. The kind you'd want to take home to mama. From Ohio to Utah to Idaho, we built products that organized the lives of countless truck drivers. And now, we've been called again to build something so bold that only our builders could have built it. Introducing DEC's new big American manufacturing facility, aka the BAMF. Hold on, wait. BAMF. Doesn't that mean badass motherfuckers? Well, here with industry-leading equipment, our badass builders will build more than the best quality products. They'll build camaraderie, communities, amazing biceps, and legacies. Look at this guy. He's crying thinking about his legacy. Because building systems that help you build a better truck bed is awesome. But building it all right here in America, well, that makes DECT badass motherfuckers.